Hello kids! Are you ready to have some fun? Today we are going to play a game with colors and numbers. Can you join us? Look around. There are so many colors are waiting for you and me. Is the sky blue? Yes, the sky is blue. Did you see the rainbow? It's looking so good. Let's go find those colors. Red. Look at this tomato. It's so red and round. What happens when it rolls on the ground? Let's count nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, awesome! Orange. Do you see the orange fish? It's swimming all day. It loves to swish and splash while it plays. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, great! Green. Here comes the green frog. It's hopping up and down. Can you hop like a frog? Let's try. Hop once, hop 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So much fun. Super. Yellow. Look, a yellow duck. A duck is waddling by the pond. It says quack, quack, quack. Can you flap your wings like a duck? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! Blue. Wow, a bluebird. Bluebird is flying in the sky. Can you spread your arms and fly like a bird? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're flying so high. Good job. Pink. Look at the pink pig. Pig rolling in the mud. It's saying oink 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 oink. Can you pretend to roll like a pig? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic. Purple. Purple octopus. Under the sea, a purple octopus is waving its arms. Can you wiggle your arms like an octopus? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Let's play again soon. Bye bye. Subscribe.